Hello and welcome to my video that I didn't decide what I'm gonna call. Obviously, it's gonna be how to configure secure CRT with GNS3. So I bet lots of people are eager to learn how to do that. So let's get started. To do that, you go to Edit menu, Preferences, console applications, and this is where we're going to be doing our work. So if you notice here, this is the default you'll get from GNS3. That's its PuTTY included with GNS3. Actually, the default you will get is Super PuTTY, this one, just because I changed the configuration. So this is why going to be the default. Is going to be will be the default Super PuTTY. Uh, my computer is already configured, as you see here, to work with SecureCRT, and you know what? Just let's set it and let's break it and fix it. How about that? So okay, let's go set here. This is very important, this set. So you have to click set and apply and okay. And let's turn on one of these switches here. This is a layer 3 switch with iOS in Unix. Go console. Let's see, there you go. So this is the default you're gonna be working on. Is a Super PuTTY. It's not bad. It's a good combination between PuTTY and Super PuTTY, I would say, and it works perfect. But myself, I prefer to work on the Secure CRT. So let's go back there to our menu again, Preferences, Console Applications, and change from here. You change to Secure CRT, and you go set, apply, and okay. Now, so we'll do same thing. You go to console, but this time you're gonna get this error message. Most likely you will get this error message, especially I'm running Windows 8 and I'm getting this error message. Probably I'm guessing 7 and 8 you'll get this error, same thing. The reason why is because if you notice here, when we choose our secure CRT, look at the path here. Okay, so I copied the path where my secure CRT is already. So do you not notice here that x86 is missing from the path, which is why we're getting that error message. So let's copy this line here. So what you have to do technically, sorry, I didn't really explain this. So what you really have to do is just copy the path. So find where your secure CRT is installed and copy this path and replace it here. And you go apply and okay. And let's check it one more time. Console. And here you go. So this is how some other instances I was running already, and they're dying here. Let me just close them. Okay, so we have switch 4 and switch 1, switch 4. So okay, switch 1, and here you go, and you got yourself a working secure CRT here. And there's one more catch here. If try to shut down everything and see if I'm gonna get the same thing. Just shut off there and make sure the secure CRT is off. Good, and start this device again. Let's turn on 2 devices, and these you gotta try them. Trust me, these devices are really awesome. You can do all your layer 2 technologies on them to check them out. Console, and I think this is what I wanted to show you exactly. So you see what you got here. Do you remember the first screen? The first screen was black and what we call traditional mode. Now we're getting ourselves a monochrome mode. If I'll show you what I'm talking about. If you go to this, if you go options, global options, and we go to advanced. You see here, this is the mode that GNS3 will run secure CRT on, monochrome. Personally, I hate it. I don't like it. So I'm just gonna show you how you can change this mode to traditional. So let's just close the whole thing. Yes. So if we go back to our, so here, when we change that line on the on GNS3 to SecureCRT, sorry, GNS3 will change this line, except with an exception of color for color scheme traditional, color underscore scheme traditional will not insert it. So you have to add this manually to your line here. So if you notice here, that line is missing. So at the end of the quote, you just add it there. If you notice here, it's right there, it was inserted there, and you go apply, okay. Hopefully it's gonna work now. Oops, traditional. Look at that. Look at that. Awesome. I'm telling you, it's awesome, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Look at that. Awesomeness. Awesomeness. Okay, let's turn on two more. And console. Console. Look at that. Look at that. Awesomeness. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, yeah, no, awesomeness. So let's do this. Show IP interface brief. Here you go. You got yourself the commands that you usually use, and same thing here. Show IP interface brief. Same thing here. Well, isn't this tiring? You know, to keep typing the same command if you want to check on all these windows, same command on all of them. Well, thankfully, this SecureCRT has that option to send, it's called a chat window, to send to all the devices. If you want to write the same command to all devices, you can do so. So if you go to view chat window, right click here, send chat to all sessions, and it say we want to check spanning tree. So you go show spanning tree, and here you go, check here, and notice, you see this blue circle with this line in here, that tells you there is an output in your window, and now it checks to green check mark. That's you have checked it. So as I was saying here, look at that. So just with one line writing, you can get the output from all the others. So it doesn't matter how many tabs you have here. You type it in here. It doesn't really matter how many tabs, how many devices you want to write into. It doesn't matter if you're gonna just work it on only Cisco, or I have here GNOS. I have it works in everything, routers, switches, and everything, and it works awesome. So yeah, give it a try. So hopefully that was informative for you guys. If you like it, hit like, and if you have any suggestions or questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you for viewing, and have a good day.